Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Amanda APS. So in the last video everyone, we all have done the class 6 geography chapter number 6 major landforms of the earth, and in this video we'll do the question answers of the chapter. So everyone, let's start with it. Okay. So first question is, what are the major landforms? The major landforms are mountains, plateaus and plains. Now next is the what is internal processes. The same definition is copied here from the book. Okay, so it's the type of continuous movement within the earth that lead to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface at several places. Next is external processes, the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. Then erosion, the wearing away of the surface, earth's surface. Then difference between mountain and plateau. So mountain is any natural elevation of the any surface, okay, of the earth's surface. Then plateau, a plateau is an elevated flatland. Mountain, it is higher than the surrounding area. Plateau, it is a flat topped land that stands above the surrounding area. Next, mountains are rich in forest and plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. Okay, so they were the differences. Now, how are mountains useful to man? The following reasons are that mountains are a storehouse of water that can be harnessed for the use of people. Okay, now many rivers have their source in the glaciers in the mountains. Waters from mountain is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity, the most important point. Okay, so water from the mountain is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. Next, the river valleys and terraces are ideal for the cultivation of crops, and the forests provide fuel, fodder, shelter and other products like gum, raisins, etc. And they provide idyllic sites for tourists. Okay, next, how are plains formed? So this is the answer that I made you mark. So plains are generally formed by rivers and their tributaries. So rivers flow down the slopes of mountains and erode them. They carry forward the eroded material that consists of what? Stone, sand and silt. Then they deposit these material along their courses in their valleys. Okay, and these deposits lead to the formation of plains. Okay, very easy. Next, why are the river plains thickly populated? क्यों होते हैं river plains? Because plains, more flat land is available for farming. Construction of transport network is easy in these regions, and due to fertile soil, land is highly productive for cultivation. Okay, next, why are mountains thinly populated? Okay, now because the climate is harsh in these areas. ठीक है, we read, and the slopes are steep. Okay, so the availability of land is less there for farming, okay, for cultivation. Now, how are plateaus useful for man? The most important point, that plateaus are rich in mineral deposits, okay, and many mining areas in the world are found in this plateau region. And in the plateau region one can find several waterfalls, okay, and many plateaus have scenic spots which attract tourists on a large scale. Okay, now there are three types of mountains, so we have to just explain and describe all those three mountains, so you can read this. So fold mountains, one is the Himalayan mountain and the Alps are the young fold mountain. Okay, they have rugged relief, ठीक है, थोड़े खुरदुरे से होते हैं, and high conical peaks. And the Aravalli range in India is the oldest fold mountain, ठीक है, in the world. And the Appalachians in North America and Urals in Russia are very old fold mountains. ठीक है. Now block mountains. Okay, wait. The fold mountains, everyone. The Aravalli range. Okay. So what they have? They have rounded features and low elevation. Okay. Next is the block mountains. They are created when large areas are broken and displayed vertically. The uplifted blocks are known as horst, and the lowered blocks are known as the garban. Okay. Now the Rhine Valley and Vosges mountains in Europe are example of such mountain systems. ठीक है, तो block mountains के example Rhine Valley and Vosges mountains. Next, volcanic mountains. They are formed by what? Volcanic activity. Okay, and empty Kilimanjaro in Africa and empty Fujiyama in Japan are the examples of such mountains. Next is define the following items. Okay, sorry, terms. Okay, next, so mountain, it is a natural elevation of the earth's surface. Glacier, permanently frozen rivers of ice. Then plateau, it is a flat topped table land standing above the surrounding area. Then plain, it is an unbroken or low level land. Range, a line of mountain is called range. Next, give examples of the following: highest plateau, Tibetan plateau. Then plateau famous for gold, African plateau, very good. Then famous waterfalls in India, Hundru Falls and Jog Falls. Plains in Asia, Ganga and Brahmaputra plains in India, and Yangtze plains in China. Okay, and undersea mountains, Mauna Kea in the Pacific Ocean, and it's the highest mountain. Okay, of what height? 10,205 meter or kilometer it was. I don't remember right now. Okay, so it was like that. So it's an undersea mountain in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, and everyone, the explanation of this chapter I have posted already in the my channel, so you all can go and check if you haven't seen it. So everyone, bye, and meet you in my next video with the next fresh chapter. So everyone, bye, have a nice day and stay safe.